Hey y'all, it's Gifty from Gifty Hair Salon, and in today's tutorial, we're going to be doing a hybrid sew-in and tape-in install using Gifty Hair Kinky Straight extensions, bundles, plus tape-ins to create this beautiful, flawless look on my client today. And let's begin this process. So to begin, I went ahead and shampooed my client's hair, did a deep condition, and then I used products to make sure that her hair was ready to be blown out using heat protectant, smoothing cream, and a leave-in conditioner. Now we're going to section out the hair to put the bundles in. I'm using only one bundle for the back, Kinky Straight in 22 inches from giftyhair.com. For the front of my client's hair, I'm going to be using the Kinky Straight Tape-In extensions in 20 inches to just blend into her 22-inch bundles in the back so everything is super natural and seamless. A couple of benefits of this hybrid install is using the sew-in the back gives density volume, and it also is perfect for the clients who want that thick, juicy hair without overloading their perimeter. And the reason why we use the tape-ins in the front is because tape-ins are extremely lightweight. It doesn't leave any bulkiness. It blends really beautifully. You can either do a middle part or a side part. This is huge for clients who have already thinning edges or fragile hairline. We don't want to put anything too heavy onto it. So putting the tape-ins in the front gives their hair a break, but still gives that option of blending into the sew-in in the back. So essentially mixing those two methods together gives you fullness, low tension in the front, plus great density overall in your hair. And you don't have to use a lot of hair. I only use one bundle in the back of giftyhair.com Kinky Straight bundles in 22 inches. And then I use up to 200 grams of tape-in extensions. So just 2 pack of 20-inch tape-in extensions from giftyhair.com to complete this entire look. So right now I'm just going through prepping her hair. I went ahead and did the cornrows in the back of my client's hair. Now I'm going to go ahead and press out her hair and install the sew-in and tape-ins into my client's hair. Watch this beautiful transformation. If you have any questions, leave it down in the comments. I'm Gifty, the gift to your hair. We're doing a beautiful hybrid sew-in today using Kinky Straight texture in 22 inches sew-in in the back and 20 inches taping in the front. absolutely beautiful. Look at the difference in my client hair. So once we got done installing the one bundle of Kinky straight in the back and 200 grams of tape-ins in the front, I went ahead and put my client under the dryer just to flatten and mold everything down so that is laid and seamless, and she looks amazing. You are able to go from short hair to long hair instantly with little to no tension on your scalp. This method is amazing for volume and versatility. Check out giftyhair.com for our Kinky straight bundles and Kinky straight tape-ins, and also book your appointment with Gifty Hair Salon located in Minneapolis, Minnesota.